Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 22nd, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Gary Gensler, the 33rd chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, has announced his resignation effective January 20th, 2025. Gensler's tenure, which began in April 2021, was marked by significant reforms in U.S. capital markets, especially following the GameStop trading events. His leadership focused on enhancing market efficiency, resiliency, and integrity, resulting in billions returned to investors harmed by wrongdoing. Under his guidance, the SEC implemented crucial updates to the U.S. Treasury and equity markets, including rules for central clearing and a shortened settlement cycle. Gensler also emphasized corporate governance reforms, improving disclosure requirements, and enhancing protections for crypto investors. His administration filed over 2,700 enforcement actions, recovering approximately $21 billion in penalties. Gensler expressed gratitude to President Biden and his fellow commissioners for their support. In a significant move, payments giant Stripe has expanded its crypto services to the Aptos blockchain, coinciding with Circle's launch of its USDC stablecoin on the network. Previously, USDC was only available on Aptos in a bridged format, but Circle will now integrate it into its cross-chain transfer protocol, enhancing the blockchain's connectivity with decentralized finance applications. Stripe aims to facilitate global payments by providing crypto on-ramp services, allowing users to convert traditional currencies into USDC directly through Aptos-enabled wallets. John Egan, Stripe's head of crypto, emphasized that this integration will improve access to efficient global fund flows for both consumers and merchants. This move is part of Stripe's broader strategy to enhance its blockchain capabilities, which included the recent acquisition of stablecoin payment firm Bridge for $1.1 billion. Decentralized Science, or DC, is gaining significant attention, with notable figures like CZ, Vitalik Buterin, and Brian Armstrong expressing their support. The sector has seen a surge in performance recently, with several tokens experiencing substantial increases. Key events contributing to this hype include Binance Labs' investment in Bioprotocol and a discussion on DeSci in Bangkok featuring CZ and Vitalik. At this event, Vitalik introduced VitaDAO's first longevity product, while CZ expressed hopes for 1,000 DeSci projects in the coming year. DeSci aims to decentralize scientific research, addressing issues like funding bottlenecks and access to research locked behind paywalls. Despite the excitement, there are criticisms regarding the credibility of some projects and concerns about the sustainability of the momentum in the sector. Bitwise has registered a statutory trust in Delaware for a proposed spot Solana exchange-traded fund, signaling its intent to file for an S-1 registration statement with the SEC. This move positions Bitwise to compete with other asset managers, such as VanEck and Canary Capital, who are also seeking SEC approval for their own Solana ETFs. If approved, the Bitwise Solana ETF would aim to track the price of Solana, currently the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. VanEck's head of digital asset research has expressed optimism about the likelihood of a US-approved spot Solana ETF by the end of 2025, citing a more favorable regulatory environment anticipated under the incoming Trump administration. Despite Solana's impressive performance in the current bull cycle, analysts suggest that inflows into approved Solana ETFs may be modest compared to those seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain.